Welcome back to North of the Broad. With me now is Cadmus. She is the Director of Admissions and Recruitment for the Technical College of the Lowcountry. It's great to have you with us. We've got a great event coming up on May the 30th to help recruit students into the dual enrollment program and also University Scholars.
Yes, so University Scholars is a new program we have at TCL. It's for those students that are just graduating high school. It's an opportunity for them to take 2 years at TCL and then transfer to a foreign institution to get their bachelor's degree. If they are a part of the University Scholars program, it'll be traveling in a cohort throughout your classes in the 2 years. There'll be special college fairs, and we may take them on some field trips to other colleges, and they also get a $1,000 scholarship for the year, so $500 for the fall and spring semester.
Is it automatic enrollment? In other words, if you come in right after high school and you're in the 2-year, then you automatically can go into the 4-year, or is it, of course, your grades have to be up? And
yep, they have to maintain a 2.5 GPA in the University Scholars program in order to maintain the scholarship. However, it will depend on the schools that they're transferring to, and they want to obviously keep their grades up because that's important when you're attending a university or a technical college. So we're really excited about it, and we're going to take 20 students this fall in the first cohort.
And how can students apply?
If they go to www.tcl.edu and go to our application page, they'll apply for what we call the university transfer programs if they're interested in those, the Associates in Arts and Associates in Science programs attached to that.
So I've heard of the term bridge in other technical colleges in the state. Is it sort of the same type of concept?
It is the same type of concept, except some are bridges to a specific institution.
Okay.
This, in my eyes, it's a bridge anywhere. It's a bridge anywhere in the United States. So if they get an associate's degree in the university transfer programs, then they should transfer to pretty much any institution in the U.S. So
great. So the Technical College of the Lowcountry has several campuses. So tell us where they are, and I know there's a new culinary campus, kind of in construction. So talk a little bit about all of that.
Our main campus is in Beaufort, that houses most, if not all, of our programs at TCL. Then we have 2 satellite campuses. One is the New River campus in Bluffton. It's right across the street from USCB. And then the other is the Hampton campus, which is up the street from Wade Hampton High School in Hampton County. And then our Culinary Institute is going to be coming to Buckwalter Place, projected fall 2020, spring 2021. However, students can start in that program this summer. We'll be offering classes at ACE, and then we will end up having classes starting at the New River campus this fall. So if you're interested in culinary, you can start now.
For some students, just navigating the admissions process and the financial aid process is very, very difficult. So how do you all make it easy for a student?
We encourage students to come to campus. Obviously, we have great faculty and staff that are there to help them. They can come to any campus to get assistance with financial aid admissions, student records, and then they'll be advised by our faculty advisors to make sure they're on their way.
And I noticed that, actually, I was on your website yesterday, and 87% of your students have some form of financial aid.
Yes, 87% have some form of financial aid, and then 94% of our students, we have a 94% job placement rate after they graduate. So 94% of our graduates have a job or are going on to a foreign institution. And
I noticed you have almost 70% female. So that's an interesting dynamic. So more women, more girls, more ladies are applying.
It's been a kind of a worldwide increase. More women are going to college, so we encourage those males to come, though. I mean, hey, come, maybe you could meet a girlfriend or something. but it has been a universal increase.
Right, and so you have about 2,200 students throughout the whole system in the Technical College of the Lowcountry.
Yeah, we have about 2,300 students, including our dual enrollment as well as our regular matriculating students.
Keep up the good work. Cadmus with the Technical College of the Lowcountry, and we'll be right back.